Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're checking out one of the most useful home cleaning tools you didn't know you needed, the Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Let's see how this little gadget can save your time, money, and even protect your home. Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit Review. Keep your dryer clean and safe. The Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit Dryer Lint Vacuum Attachment Brush is a simple yet powerful cleaning tool designed to keep your dryer vent free from lint buildup and your home safe from potential fire hazards. This handy kit, made from durable plastic and rubber, features a long 31.5-inch hose and adapter that easily attaches to most standard vacuum cleaners. One of the most impressive aspects of this kit is how effectively it removes years of accumulated lint from deep inside dryer vents, a spot most people never reach during regular cleaning. By keeping the vent clear, it helps your dryer run more efficiently, reduces drying time, and prevents overheating. Regular use can even help lower your energy bills while extending the lifespan of your dryer. Safety is another major benefit. According to fire safety experts, lint buildup in dryer vents is one of the leading causes of household fires. With the Holikme cleaner, you can quickly and affordably take preventive action. The flexible hose can reach behind appliances and into narrow ducts, ensuring a thorough clean. The kit is incredibly user-friendly. Simply attach the adapter to your vacuum, insert the hose into the vent, and start cleaning. It fits most vacuums, though it's not compatible with Dyson models. Available in blue for just $7.49, down from $10.99, the Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit has earned an Amazon's Choice badge and over 22,000 positive reviews. Affordable, efficient, and easy to use, this is a must-have tool for every homeowner who wants to keep their laundry area safe and their dryer performing at its best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart home and cleaning tool reviews. See you in the next video.